everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are at. Today, we, as usual, want to show you how we made this. Today, we're doing it differently. We're bringing you the wrong side. We're bringing you the rough work, all of it uncleaned yet. Yeah, we've not weaved in our ends or tied them off or tied up our loose ends because we wanted you to see the raw form of this project. All right, so last week we on our Instagram page we advertised the Mimosa tees for men. This is one of those tees. So today I'm going to show us how we made these t-shirts. The t-shirt is a really lovely t-shirt. We made it for a medium-sized man who measures about I think 23 inches from his shoulder to the hip area, and then about 36 37 inches wide. This t-shirt stretches to fit the man's frame. All right, we made this t-shirt in say 3 or 4 parts. You can say it 4 parts because we made the body first, this part right here, and then we made the sleeves, right? We made the sleeves, and then we made the collar. Okay, this collar right here. All right, so essentially we started from the base, right? The base requires that we chain the number of chains that will take us to go around the man's frame. If the man in this case measured 37 inches, wide, right? And we're using a size 5 hook and a 2.5 ply thread, okay, or yarn size. All right, and so we started from there. We ended up with about 132 chains, and then we worked our way up. Now, considering this measurement is about 23 inches long, right? So you can divide that by the number of times you want to repeat the colors, okay, and work it that way. So for every panel, you have a certain length. Yeah, you can also decide that the lower panels are wider, yeah, than the middle panel. See this top panel right here is wider than these other ones. Okay, so you get to work a bit and then alternate the colors, work a bit on the alternate the colors. You can see all of the rough edgings right here. So when we were done with this, the shoulder point, as in the armhole point, for this male measured about 8 inches, yeah, 8 inches long, and so this is that length, okay, from the shoulder point to the armpit area, and then we work the sleeves. Now the bicep, you have to work this sleeve such that you end with a width that just holds the bicep firmly and snugly, right? This bicep for this particular male measured about I think 12 inches around. Yes, 12 inches around. So yeah, this is what we have. You can see 6 plus the other 6 gives us 12, and then we edged it with this black using the front post back post stitch, but we used the half double crochet stitches in this case for both sleeves. Yeah, to obtain about this length right here, this is about 5 inches from the armpit to the bicep. This is how long this particular male wanted his to be. We worked it that way, right? Then we edged the base of the T. The base of the T, we use the same method we used for edging the base of the sleeve, which is the front post, back post, half double crochet stitch. We did about 3 rows of that to obtain this, right? And then finally we worked the collar. Now this collar right here, yeah, this is the what do I call it now? This is the shoulder. So we started from somewhere in here, say about 3 inches down, yeah, 3 inches into the front panel of the shirt, and worked it, out. Worked about how many rows are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 12 rows before the edging. We worked it that way with this time around, instead of a single strand 2.5 ply, we actually doubled. So we have double of this to work that. Okay, and then we did our write-ups. There's still one more write-up we need to do on the front panel of the shirt before we fasten off. So all of this we're eventually going to clean up, and then we'll bring you the finished product, right? So are you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, go do so now. We bring you weekly editions of everything we post on our Instagram page, and then we also bring you weekly tutorials on how we did this, while we worked one of our amazing projects right? We have a store. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below, and also links to our other businesses. So you can also take a look. And then if you would like to see any tutorial, any trick, any tip you'd like to see us work, please do let us know in the comments, and we will get back to creating one of those for you. Let us know what you think about our mimosa tees in the comments. Do you like this color? What do you think? Do let us know. Bye for now. Do not forget to subscribe.